Alright, so Harbor Freight Tools, their Hardy brand of reusable latex cleaning gloves. Long-lasting, durable latex. Okay, so these are reusable. You know how they have the boxes of the disposable ones? Those are great for certain things. These I'm going to use at work for general cleaning. That's exactly what I'm going to do. It has a sizing chart here. So I put my hand up here, and it looks like I'm small to medium. I didn't notice that until I got them home. Oh, it says caution. This product contains natural rubber latex. Oh, okay, so if you're allergic to latex, you do not want to use this. I am not allergic to latex. This is interesting. Textured fingers and palm for effortless grip. Micro cotton lining. Okay, see, I thought these were just going to be like Playtex gloves, like I buy at the dollar store, like Dollar Tree. Excuse me while I open this. At the Dollar Tree for $1. So these are $2 or $1.99 for 2 pairs. So it's the same price. Plus, you know they always have that 20% off coupon. Alright, cool. They are textured, so that's good. This is good because I'm probably going to use these to wash. I might use them to wash glasses. And the small to medium seems to fit my hand pretty well. They do have that annoying, it feels like they have that powder on the inside. Maybe this is the cotton lining they're talking about. Actually, there's no powder on my hand, so it must be the cotton lining. But, yeah, cool. So far, so good. So, this texture might help actually with washing glasses, and being able to pick them up, because the pair that I was using before, which is the reason I got this pair, had a hole in it, but also the glasses were slipping. So I'll give you a report back after I work a shift and let you know whether or not these are suitable for the 3-sink method glass washing technique. And I'm sure they'll be fine for, it feels like they've got a nice thickness. I don't think it says anywhere on here what the thickness rating is. But they feel like about as thick as Playtex gloves. Maybe not the brand name Playtex, they're a little bit thicker, but these are definitely comparable to the ones you can find at Dollar Tree. So yeah, so that's what you get for $2. You get 4 gloves. And I will update you further. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the space below, and give me a like if you like it, give me a dislike if you dislike it, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. Take care of yourselves out there.